Whoa! Look at this big old box. Dude just left it in the walkway. I tell you, you just can't get. It's huge. It's gigantic, as you guys can see. You guys know what's in it? I'll show you tomorrow. This is it. It's huge. I gotta move this out the way. Providence 4-piece patio conversation set. And it is in a red. So your girl, oh, it looks like they opened it somewhat. Trying to see how many pieces this is going to be. And it's a little nippy today. We got this scissors right here. Trying to open this up. Whoa. Okay. Okay, here's the little, put this stuff together. Jeez Louise. Oh my goodness. This is packing material. This is, oh my goodness. Dude. I might have to wait till dude come. Cause your girl don't know if she in the mood for this. But, all right. Your girl making progress. She making progress. This is the base for the chairs. These are the cushions. This is the base for the back. Okay. Right. Oh. See, these are the little pillows. Making progress, making progress. This has got to be a chair part. This is the last part. This must be a part of the bench. The bench, or the little two-seater bench. And that's it. The rest of this stuff was holding the box together. So, we'll get busy. Just checking to see who available to put this little conversation set together. We got a few brewskis, if anybody available. I'm just saying. Or we can get some Crown Royal up in here, or whatever, Hennessy, Jack Daniels, Absolute, whatever. I told him to come during Valentine's Day. Then he can bring his wife, because their birthday's in February.
We can put it.
We can move everything on this wall, basically.
Well,
yeah.
I do like the fact that there's a whole lot of.
This is what you need when you move into your first apartment, is one of these little kits This would be a good gift idea for somebody who just moved into an apartment. This is cute. Okay, open this up. This is a great gift idea for somebody who, just moved into an apartment or bought a home. Yeah, so let's close it up. And then let's put the drill. Let's put the drill in so we can show them the drill. This came from Walmart. Let's turn it around. This way. Turn it around. This is called a 118 home tool set. And then let's put the drill up there. And this is the drill. So this is your Christmas idea. Cookie Miss Day. What's today's date? 17th? 16th? It's Cookie Miss.